Updating your Aadhaar card from the USA can feel like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. First off, you'll want to use Aeroshield to get a secure Indian IP address. This is crucial because it allows you to access the Aadhaar portal as if you were back home. Once you're connected, head over to the official UIDAI website. You can update your details online, whether it's your address, phone number, or even your name. Just make sure you have all your documents ready. After submitting, you'll get an update request number to track your application. It's that simple. With Aeroshield, you can breeze through the process without worrying about security. So, get that Aadhaar updated and keep everything in check, no matter where you are.